Hi, I'm Kim Groneman. I'm General Manager of Proud Souls Barbecue, and I'm here to cook chicken spaghetti. To get started, what we're going to use, we need to cook our chicken first, so we're going to prep some chicken breasts, and I'm going to use duck fat as the binder, and then we're going to put some stuffy style chicken rub on them. You want to get off any of the gristle and unwanted fat. These look good to go, so we'll get them seasoned up. I want to put a generous amount on here on both sides. Then we're going to take these and put them on the grill. With the rest. In the meantime, I sauteed our veggies on the Rectech. We have onion, green bell pepper, and then we have some roasted red pepper. Now to that, we're going to add the chicken. Mix that up. And then we're going to add 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. All right, this looks great. Now we're going to add some chicken stock and then add some sharp cheddar cheese. Now we're adding the stock just to help thin it out a touch, because we're going to be adding our pasta that we already cooked, and so it is ready to go. All right, I'm going to take this mixture and actually put it into the bowl with the pasta so I can mix it easily in there and then transfer it back to this pan so we can put it on the grill. And here's where you can determine if you need to add a little bit more chicken stock. It is based partially on how al dente your pasta is. So if it's a little more al dente than done, go ahead and add some more pasta or add more chicken stock. All right, I'm just gonna re-season just a touch with some Steffi style and a little bit of SPG trauma hogs. And then I'm going to put back in the cast iron. All right, get it fit into the pan here. And then we're going to top with cheese and put it on the smoker. All right, we're going to put it on the smoker for about 30 to 40 minutes, just depending on how it's looking. We want it nice and bubbly and the cheese melted, and when we return, it'll be really ready to eat. All right, we brought in the chicken spaghetti from the Rec Tech. Let's dig in and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, we're ready to dig in and give this a try. It's got great tenderness. You got the great taste of the grilled chicken with the Steffi style. And then when we made the veggies, I did Steffi style and trauma hogs. It makes a perfect match. Thanks for joining us. We got all these products you can find here at Proud Souls Barbecue. You can find the Steffi style, the trauma hogs, and the duck fat. And check out our Smithy pans. You can't go wrong.